Okay, it's me again with another thing about clip art in Publisher. Another good thing you can use it for is for creating creatures that you can then import into other platforms to use in game making. So you can make little sprites for Scratch or little characters for programs like 2DIY. So I'm going to show you quickly how to make something a little bit similar to what we've got here. Just going to get rid of him, and I'm going to start with a shape, and I think I'll start with this one from the flowchart selection, and I'll just rotate it so it's this way around, and I'm going to make this nice and big so you can see it clearly. Now, a good tip when you're using Publisher is that when I've got the drawing tools up here, if you look here and look at the shape, the colours I've got, different colorways give you different color schemes. So if you go to page design, you can choose a color scheme or make one of your own that will have colors in it and gradients of colors that you want to use. So I'm using berry on this because I know it'll give me lots of nice pinks and purples that go together, and I'm going to color this creature purple, and I'm going to get rid of that outline. Now this is going to be a really simple creature to create. I'm just going to press Control and drag, so I've copied that shape, but I'm going to change that shape to a rounded rectangle. I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to line it up here so that it's a leg. There we are. You can see that's slightly off, so I'm going to use the arrow keys to get it as perfect as I can. There we are. Then I'm going to just add some simple things to this that will make it more cartoony. We're going to start again with the eyes like I did before. So I'm going to insert the circle. It's a pretty good size, I think, but I might choose to make it a little bit bigger. Colour it white. Yeah, let's have it a little bit bigger like that. That looks pretty freaky actually. Let's go back. We'll just make it a tiny bit bigger. There we go. So there's the eye. I'm going to put it about there, and again I'm going to press Control and drag, colour it in. I know that I chose this colour for my creature, so I'm going to choose something a little bit lighter, make it smaller, put it in. So this is pretty much as I did before on the human face. I'm just making a sort of creature and alien face. And then I'll do it one last time because I want to get some light on this eye. And there you have it. There's the creature's eye. So 1, 2, 3, 4 while pressing Control and clicking on them. Group, Control and drag it to copy. 2 eyes for my creature. Now I want to just give it a mouth shape, something pretty simple. I'm going to use this shape again. I'm going to colour it in black. I'm going to flip it and make it smaller. There we go. That doesn't quite central. That looks better. Right. The good thing about using shapes that have a straight edge is that if you wanted to, I'm not saying you do, but if you wanted to or your pupils wanted to, you could add little bits like teeth to make them look a little bit silly or a little bit funnier, or just if that's what you want to do. So we can give him a few teeth like that. Now I don't want this smooth sort of edge that he's got going on here, so I'm going to duplicate this, change it to a circle, colour it in the purple we started with, and make him a little bit lumpy bumpy. Looks quite cute. I think I'll make some smaller ones as well. And there we have him. Maybe group a few together. It's my little creature. Looks quite sweet. I could give him some arms if I wanted to. Should we give him some arms? I think I will. I'm going to use this rounded rectangle again. I'm going to just put that there, layer it up. He looks pretty sweet, but you can't really see that they're arms yet. So what I'll do is I'll get rid of one of those. I'll make this stick out a little bit more. And I'll give him some sort of funny hand. Now a hand shape I'm going to draw with the tool that I usually like to use, which is this one here. Where's it gone? Where's my curve gone? There it is. That one there, the curve. I'm just going to draw a hand. Now if you've ever seen cartoons, you'll know that most animated hands only have 4 digits. Seems fair enough to me. So I'm going to make this with 4 digits quite roughly. Colour it in, get rid of the outline. I can see that doesn't look very tidy. So I'm going to highlight it, edit shape, edit the points. I want it to be much smoother with the curves. So I'm going to pull this one up here so I've got something more to work with. I'm going to pull that one in. I'm going to pull that one in. Pull that one in. I think I'll rotate it a little bit. And there's his hand. Now I'm not sure if I like it in the same colour like that. So I think I'll go here and I'll colour it a little bit lighter. But that's an untidy join, so I will send it backwards. And what I will do now is I will move that like that, and I'm going to put some sort of connector in there. So I'm going to use this shape again and put it in there like some sort of pipe connector, and then I'm going to go Control, click, 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 group. Then I'm going to press Control and drag it to copy the group. I'm going to flip it horizontally and I'm going to pop that arm on the other side. He's looking pretty cool, isn't he? But he's very flat here because he's just got this one colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add yet more circles, and I'm just going to colour them in the different shades of purple that we've got and put them around different places. So I'm going to have one there, maybe one there that's a little bit smaller, maybe another one that's a little bit lighter in colour on the shading like that. I'm going to drag that one down, copy it a few times, vary the shapes, maybe make one of these a little bit lighter, have that one like that, and put some spots I think down here now as well. So I've just 2 or 3 down here. I'll maybe make another one a bit lighter. So there we have it. There's our little creature. I think he could benefit from a few feet, a couple of feet here. Let's have a look. Let's choose the shape. We're going to go again with that one there. So instead of drawing it fresh, I'm just going to drag that one out. I'm going to choose the size I want it. I'm going to line it up. Like that. Use the arrow keys to make sure that's really done well. And there we have him. There's my little creature. He looks quite cute. So I'm going to press Control A to highlight everything. Go to the drawing tools to group him. And then I'm going to right click and save him as a little picture. And then what I can do with him is that when I open up Scratch or open up 2DIY or even PowerPoint or any other sort of program you might like to use, you've got a little creature that you've made that you can put into your presentation or game. So I hope you take that away and have a go at that one. It's another clip art tutorial using Microsoft Publisher. Thanks very much.